In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear, easy-to-use size chart that your customers can reference directly on your product pages, which can really help reduce returns and confusion about sizing. Let's start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. First, log into your Shopify store and look at the menu on the left-hand side. We're going to create the actual size chart content as a page. Click on Online Store and then choose Pages. Here, click the button to add a new page. Give this page a clear title, such as Size Chart or Sizing Guide, so you'll recognize it easily later. In the content area, you can now add the details of your size chart. You can either type the sizes out in a table format or paste in an existing chart you already use. For example, you might have columns for size, bust, waist, hip, or for shoe sizes by region. Make sure the information is clear and easy to scan. When you're happy with the content, scroll up and make sure the page is set to be visible. Then click Save. Next, we'll connect this size chart to your product pages. Still in the online store section, click on Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store. In the theme editor, navigate to a product page using the page selector at the top. We're going to add a size chart link or button near the size selector. Look for the section or block that controls your product information. It's often called product information, product details, or something similar. Click on that section to see its settings. Now, depending on your theme, there may already be an option labeled Size Chart, Pop-up, or something similar. If you see it, turn it on. Then choose the page you just created from the drop-down list. This connects your size chart page so it opens in a pop-up or a new tab when customers click the link. If your theme doesn't have a built-in size chart option, you can usually add a simple text block that says View Size Chart and link it to your size chart page URL. Just make sure the link is placed close to your size selector so customers can easily find it. Once everything is set, click Save in the theme editor. Then preview a product page on your live store. Test the size chart link to make sure it opens correctly and the information is easy to read. Adjust the content or formatting if needed, and you're done.